Hi Leo, welcome back to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your love bite. Let's see what love message wants to show through for you today, Leo. And I'm sorry for missing out last week's readings. I was traveling, I was away to the Himalayas to a beautiful hill station called Shimla. So I'm all rejuvenated now and ready to do your readings. Oops. Eight of Pentacles came up, Leo, for you before I started the reading. So this is like somebody really working on something. Now, I don't know what this is pertaining, but I'll leave this card out anyway to see why it needed to show up this early in our reading. So, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Welcome in newbies. I hope you enjoy the reading and join us at our channel, the Omkara family. And let me just keep them open, save some time. Okay, so I have the Judgment, Three of Swords, King of Swords, Four of Swords, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Two of Swords, Eight of Wands, and the Justice card. All right, and the Two of Pentacles in reverse. So Aries, from what I'm seeing here, it seems somebody wants to bring back to life. Or so, yes, that's what the Eight of Pentacles was all about, I think. They want to come out of the cold. They don't like this fact that maybe you guys are not really kind of getting together, and they want to work on this connection. I think if earlier they were going back and forth to say, should I not? This person is wanting to heal heartbreak now. They are not happy about the fact that they're not being able to take action. Leo, this could be you, this could be your person, I don't know. A lot of restless energy, wanting to come out of this cold place with their partner, not knowing how to take action, because maybe even though the decision is made, there's a little bit of lack of communication regarding a connection here. Somebody really wants to bring back justice and work on this connection again. The first card and the last card suggest the same here. Judgment and justice. This is like a rebirth, and this is like bringing balance back. Somebody doesn't like being, feeling that they are kind of feeling neglected or feeling left out. Let's see what this is all about, Leo. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards for you to see if this person could really say something to you, or you would like to say something to this person. What would that be? Leo and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other now. Thank you. And let's take a few more from here. Leo and their person, if they could say something to each other. All right. And I'll take a few more from here as well. Mix it up. Leo and their person. Thank you. Okay, Leo, let's begin your reading. The first card here says, I get so effing jealous knowing that you're in bed with the karmic at night. I feel sick to my stomach at the thought of you being in bed with them. Shit, you're all I ever think about. The past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. Yeah, somebody really wants to come out of this place. Maybe in the past they had suspicions, or they felt their partner was with somebody else and they didn't have the nerve maybe to take action. But now all they're thinking about is, how do I come out of this, feeling neglected stage and take action? Why do you feel it necessary to try to label me? I'm far more than any label could ever describe, and so is our connection. Okay. No matter how hard this journey has been, loving you is still the best thing that's ever happened to me. When you're away from me, I feel loneliness in my heart. I can't stop missing you and loving you. I need you here with me. Yes, like I said, somebody really doesn't want to be in this state of feeling neglected and abandoned. when I miss you, I don't have to go far. I just have to look within my heart and my soul, because that's where you are. I will wait for you as long as I have to. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. And the last card here, Leo says, I want to restore your faith in me. So I don't know what's happened between the two of you, but I do see one partner who maybe didn't have had trust issues, or maybe they were still carrying pain from a past relationship. They are now wanting to, they've made a choice, they've made a decision, but maybe they're not being able to communicate that they want to bring back justice in this connection. So before I start clarifying these cards, Leo, I'm going to top this with an angel blessing card to see how my angels are going to bless this reading. My angels for my lions and my lionesses, a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. Blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for my Leo gang, please. Healing. Yes, healing is being restored here, or somebody wants it desperately. They want to heal a connection, maybe heal a broken heart. Okay, so let's put this card here. Let's start clarifying these and see what's going on. So, Spirit, what's this judgment with the Three of Swords in reverse? What's this judgment card? What's this judgment card? Judgment is clarified by the judgment in reverse. So somebody is now trying to bring back something, spark some new life into a situation which went wrong. Maybe they made the wrong judgment call, they lost an opportunity for this beautiful Two of Cups here, and because they didn't make that choice or passed a judgment on a person before really they had a chance to kind of explore, what it was all about, they lost out on a partnership. Now somebody has figured out, oh my God, this is the person I love. Ace of Cups. This is my Ace of Cups and I want to restore this. Like, look at this. Judgment in reverse, Two of Cups in reverse, right? Somebody made the wrong judgment call here. Now this person is saying, I want to bring it back because I've realized that I do love this person a lot. So somebody now wants to heal this broken heart. Three of Swords in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Why is the Three of Swords in reverse? Three of Swords in reverse. Because they're not happy anymore. Leo, this is your card, right? The Sun is in reverse here. Not very unhappy. Sun is never a very, very unhappy card, but whatever, whether it's reverse or upright, but not feeling very happy because of this Tower moment, I think, which happened between the two of you. Something kind of, there was a sudden ending or sudden epiphany or something which came to light, and it kind of ended this connection, which made one person feel there was so much happiness. What happened? And now somebody really wants to heal this connection, realizing that maybe they've been a little selfish in the past, with the King of Wands in reverse. What's that, Spirit? Yes, this person has gone through a lot of thinking. They have maybe been healing from something which maybe happened in their past or something. Whoever did not give to the connection is now thinking of their own selfish behavior. They've spent a lot of time in contemplation and maybe about their own selfish attitude or behavior or not taking action, and now desperately wanting a return. Judgment is a card of return, and so is the Eight of Cups in reverse, a card of wanting to go back to something. So what's this Four of Swords in reverse, Spirit? Why is this person restless? Okay. Somebody wants to charge ahead now. Yes, this person is very, very restless now. They're kind of realizing what a mistake they've made by not giving to a connection. Whoever this person is wants to rush back now. They want to rush back and Say, hey, I've realized I want my Ten of Pentacles with you. I lost my chance in the past, but I've been giving it a thought. I have been thinking about it, and it's making me more and more restless to realize what I've lost and what I want back in my life now. This person wants to come rushing back like yesterday, that quickly, and maybe try one more time to salvage this connection and offer maybe a long-term partnership here. So, Five of Pentacles, Spirit, in reverse. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Five of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, whoever this person is, Leo, this could be you, could be your partner, I don't know. But now they're realizing that maybe they didn't invest in the past. They didn't put in anything to make this relationship grow, right? And this kind of behavior, the selfish behavior or not taking action behavior, it's actually kind of backfired on them. Because now the love is lost and they've realized that they do have love and they want it. But now they're feeling, oh my God, my sneaky behavior or my not giving to the connection or me not investing has left me out in the cold completely. I don't want to be there. And because now the Ace of Wands is in reverse. All the passion is gone. Ace of Wands in reverse, Spirit. What's that for Leo? Ace of Wands in reverse. Ace of Wands in reverse. Somebody wants to now get over whatever trouble has happened in this connection, because now there is no working together anymore. It doesn't seem like maybe their partner wants to work with them anymore. Maybe is not talking to them, or maybe certain things have been revealed. Some lies have been caught, which has led to the demise of this connection. But whatever toxicity has happened here, Leo, whoever this person is who's suddenly discovered that, oh my God, I do have love, I do want to take action, they now want to get over any kind of toxicity which came into this connection. They don't want to, maybe they had fear, or they had, anger or some addiction, or maybe they were scared, or whatever this was. Somebody really wants to release this devil energy of not speaking their truth or not taking action or whatever was going on here. Somebody has made a choice here. Two of Swords in reverse, Spirit. Two of Swords in reverse. Two of Swords in reverse. Yeah, somebody's made a decision here that I don't want to spend the rest of my life in worry and stress, and maybe they feel now their partner's also lost trust in them. So somebody's kind of, even though they've made a choice that I have to do something to get out of this worry, maybe since they've realized now that I do love my person, I didn't take action, and I don't want to stay in this place where I just keep thinking about it. But I think there's a little bit of worry because they feel their partner doesn't really trust them anymore. There is barely any communication between the two of you. Yes. Oops, sorry. Eight of Wands in reverse, Spirit. Eight of Wands in reverse. Somebody definitely wants to return now. They want all secrets to be out. They want to speak their truth. They are now realizing that they went a wrong direction, and there has been an imbalance in their behavior, I think, where that's the reason their dreams or wishes have not come true, because they never really spoke their truth. There was a problem in communication. So what is this Justice card, Spirit? Why is the Justice card here? What's this Justice card here? Somebody feels, somebody wants to bring back justice. They see their partner as a very dynamic, beautiful, go-getting kind of person, and they feel this person has cast judgment on them. One second. What's this Justice card, Spirit? They're very embarrassed and ashamed now to face their partner. Yes, they feel that their partner doesn't trust them anymore. They will never accept now. Yes, see, they feel there is no point now in saying anything right now, because as much as they want to bring back balance and connection, they feel their partner has already kind of picked themselves up and gone, and maybe is doing really well in their own life, and will never accept any kind of offer for foundation, or any kind of offer of long-term stability with them. Somebody here is feeling that they've lost a beautiful connection here, because they feel that the person who they didn't give to has already kind of made a decision here, and maybe gone off for a fresh new beginning for themselves. As much as I think this person wants to work towards the connection now, they're feeling a little ashamed and embarrassed. They don't know how to bring back this rebirth and restart. So like this card said, no matter how hard the journey has been, you're still the best thing that's ever happened to me. But the point is, they feel their partner's already taken off for a fresh new beginning, and looking great while doing it as well. The only problem that I see here, that the epiphany has come. The sudden moment, of realization has happened, that there is love here, want a rebirth. Somebody is now very embarrassed now to go towards their person, because they feel that they may get rejected now. So yes, somebody really does want to heal this connection. If there's been heartbreak in this connection, they do want to kind of heal this broken heart, because they've realized that either they left their partner out in the cold, or they are feeling left out in the cold now, but they're a little worried as to what work to put in, because they're feeling a little ashamed. So anything else for Leo's Spirit? I know this is a small love bite, but a little more clarification would be nice for Leo. Yes, the Spirit is saying, tell Leo the only thing that can now salvage this connection is clear communication, honesty and clear communication. So if somebody is feeling embarrassed, not knowing, maybe somebody lied in the past, okay, they never spoke their truth, never took action. So this is Spirit's advice that, hey, Leo, some clear communication is required. Honesty, integrity, truth are very important. So this is the work. I think that's why this card came out earlier, Leo. This is the work that has to be put into this connection for it to flourish, is honesty and truth and communication. All right. So that's all I have for you, Leo. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.